My name's Kristen. I'm a financial counsellor with the Salvation Army MoneyCare Financial Counselling Service. So a financial counsellor is a trained professional. We're here to listen to people's stories and to listen to anyone who's experiencing financial hardship. We'll work with you holistically to see what's happening and to work out what we can do, set goals and solutions to move you forward with your financial hardship. If anyone is finding it difficult with their financial situation, the first thing we want them to know is don't panic. It's often the first time it's happened. You may not know what your rights are or your responsibilities. You may not know what your options are, but working with a free financial counselling service, they can tell you what they are, and then you can make the decision as to what you want to do. There is no shame in connecting to a financial counselling service. We actually see it as an act of strength and an act of wisdom in saying, who can help me with my financial problem? And there are many good options that will actually make a difference to you and to your family. It's available to all people in Australia, and we encourage you to reach out early, no matter whether the financial challenge is big or small. We are here for you. You can find the free financial counselling service in your local area by calling 1800 007 007. That's from anywhere in Australia. Or if you want to go on the website, log on to the moneysmart.gov website and you'll be able to locate a free financial counselling service there.